So way back when I started my channel in June, I started buying this coffee because the Morrison's coffee, it was on special offer. It was from £1.49 to £1.25. So I was suggesting to people that if you were passing a Morrison's, take advantage because it was £1.25. And then they took it off special offer and it just was £1.25. And then with one thing and another, with supply shortages of various things, we were noticing that some of the, not just coffee but other products, seem to have old dates on it. So in October, when I noticed that the packaging had changed on this coffee, I suggested that they must be getting new stock through. But when I looked, the price before Christmas had gone up to £1.59. So before Christmas it was £1.59. In June last year it was £1.25. I couldn't believe the price when I looked last week. The whole own brand Morrison's range. I'll just show you a little video that I took. So here I've worked it out. The original price in June last year was £1.25. The new price now is £2.29. So that's an increase of £1.04. So if you take £1.04 and divide it by the original price, it equals 0.832. And you times that by 100, and that is the percentage increase since June. Over 80% increase on this coffee. So when you're out shopping and you're thinking, I'm buying the own brand range, I must be saving money, do look round. So if you're looking at your shopping and it used to be £100, say, and now it's £120, just think to yourself, oh, it's gone up. Have a look and see what has gone up. Keep your receipts and go through your receipts, because not everything will have gone up at the same range, and some things might actually still be saying the same price. And an example of how to swap your shopping about is I've changed now to Lidl, and I'll show you a little video of Lidl's price. So it's the same sort of coffee, strength 3, and this is what I'm buying from Lidl. And this is £1.39. So it's the same size packet, similar sort of coffee. This is £2.29 at Morrison's now, and this is £1.39. So that's an example, people. Go through your old receipts, and if your shopping's going up, have a look and see exactly what has gone up, and have a look round and see if you can get it cheaper somewhere else. And this is just a little video I did of some of my bargain buys last week. I got some kefir yoghurt reduced and I got some bread reduced. So I made a lovely, cheap, easy, quick breakfast. Nice easy breakfast today. A beaten egg, some of this lovely kefir yoghurt. I got reduced from £2, 10 to 23p. We'll just stir that in. I got this lovely cranberry raisin cashew nut bloomer reduced from 180 to 45p. So we'll slice a couple of slices of that. We'll put it up. Break it into chunks, drop it in the mixture and let it soak in for 5-10 minutes. Give it a stir a couple of times and we're just going to add some grated nutmeg. And pop it in the microwave. Medium heat. Microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Nice, cheap breakfast.